You looking for something to cook with that's versatile? I recommend coconut milk. Ja! Rastafaro. Blessings and wholeness, family. Welcome back to my... Sorry about that. You know, today's episode is going to be about plant-based milks. So we're going to show you 3 of the easiest ways that you can make plant-based milk. So you don't have to buy from no cans no more. You don't have to buy from no cartons no more. And we're also going to incorporate Seamoss to take these plant-based milks to the next level. So first off, we're just going to show the different recipes. And then after that, I'm going to show what one I use for what reason and the benefits of each different kind of milk. So let's get right into these recipes. This is so quick, y'all. If you buy canned milk anymore, I don't know what you're doing. These recipes are too easy. So much love. Let's get into these recipes. Wait. Before we get started, I want to thank you guys so much for 20,000 subscribers. I plan on doing a giveaway, but this kind of just crept up on me, so I'm not ready. But as y'all know, I'm the Seamoss plug. I got y'all. So what I'm going to do for y'all is give you 10% off your next order if you use the discount code 20K. So if you use the discount code 20K, you can get 10% off your next order, and then you can make these amazing plant-based milks with this high-grade, high-quality Seamoss straight from St. Lucia. Let's get to it.
Sometimes we say things when we don't mean it. In the moment I may say I'm leaving, but I can't, babe. I can't. I just want us to get back to yellow, 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 yellow. All of the things that you do, all of the things that you do.
Boom, so there y'all have it. You see how easy it is to make these plant-based milks? We really don't have much of a reason to go buy these canned milks unless we're just not able to prepare and plan ahead for like doing something for 5 minutes, because that's all it takes to make these milks. So let me break down these milks. First off, hemp milk is by far the easiest to make, but it's the least versatile. You can't really put it in a bunch of different things because it has such a strong taste. But with that being said, hemp milk, hemp seeds have like so many amazing nutrients in them. Plus, when you add it with the Seamoss, you're getting like almost everything that you need to survive. So hemp milk is highly nutritious, has an amazing source of proteins. It's a complete protein, so you get all the proteins that you need. Plus, it has the omega-3, omega-6 in the perfect ratio, good for your brain. This is good for heart health, good for heart diseases if you're worried about that, focused on that. And plus, it's just high in fiber, and it has like good things like magnesium in it. So, you know, it's gonna get all the benefits that magnesium has with it. But this one is almost limited to just putting it in smoothies, or like let's say you mix it with your porridge at the end, but I wouldn't cook with this hemp milk. But hemp milk is the easiest, so if you're looking for something easy, quick, and nutritious, this is the way to go. And when you add the Seamoss to any of these milks, what it does is it makes it just the best texture ever. When you look at the cans or the cans or those bottles or those cartons of milks, you'll see on the label it says carrageenan. Carrageenan is just an extract of Seamoss, and they use it for the texture, and they use it so the milk stays together. The fats and the liquid water stays together. So we're getting all of that, but we're using amazing whole Seamoss, which is gonna give us all the benefits of that as well. So give thanks for the Seamoss for giving us this delicious texture. Let me try this. It's cool, you know, it's just hemp milk. I love it, it got all the nutrients. I love hemp milk. Try use some hemp milk. Now the next one is walnut milk. Walnut milk is my favorite to just drink by itself. As y'all saw, I put dates in this one. And with this one, I like to just drink it. This to me is the most delicious milk that's out. I usually just sip on it, to be honest, or put it in my smoothies. But this is just an easy way for you to get your Seamoss in, get your minerals in. Walnuts, good for the brain. We got the good fats as well, the omega fatty acids. And since we don't strain anything, we also get a bunch of beneficial fibers. So this is so essential, feed that gut flora. Feed that gut flora. Our gut health is so important, and fiber is an important part of that. So the more fibers we can get, the better. And having these hemp milks is super blessed. But the thing about hemp milk, once again, I will not cook with it, and it also does have a strong taste. So, maybe isn't for all the recipes, but that's why we got coconut milk. Now, coconut milk is the only milk that we strain, but this is the smoothest milk. This milk is what I use for my stews. This milk is what I use when I'm doing any kind of cooking, when I'm making my porridge. I put this milk in it, and also it's so good to sip on. It's so creamy, so delicious. And let's say one of the benefits about the coconut milk is MCT oil. The mid-chain triglycerides that it contains is one of the easiest forms of energy for our body, and especially for our brain. So this is really good for your brain. It's really good for your heart health, really good for the circulation, and it helps with inflammation. All these really help with inflammation. So these are amazing, 3 Easy Amazing. You're looking for something to cook with that's versatile, I recommend coconut milk. You're looking for something that's just delicious, you want to drink, I recommend this walnut milk. And if you want, you could add a little bit more sweetener to it. You could add, let's say, like maple syrup or agave, or you could add, a little bit of bay leaf, a little bit of something in it. So this is good on its own, like for real. I'll just take hemp milk by itself or walnut milk by itself, and I love it. And then last, we got hemp seed milk, which to me, in my mind, is like the most nutritious. It has complete protein. It has amazing fats, perfect essential fatty acid ratio of omega-3 and omega-6. So this one to me is like that most nutritious, for mothers. You just want to get those nutrients in. This is the hemp milk. I love it in smoothies. I love it by itself, but it's the least versatile, but it's the quickest to make. So with that, y'all got 3 different hemp plant-based milk recipes. Choose whichever one fits your whatever you're doing, but just stay away from the cans. Cans are, for 1, they're more expensive. 2, they have a bunch of garbage in there. The BPA line cans or some other BP line cans, they have preservatives in them. They take extracts instead of using the whole Seamoss. So, let's make our own plant-based milks, and let's use that Seamoss to help with that texture and to give us the extra nutrients. Because at the end of the day, we want to be able to get those nutrients from the Seamoss as much as we can. And sometimes you don't want to make a whole smoothie. Sometimes you just want to sip on some hemp milk. So in that case, you just make the milk and you can just drink that milk just like that. So give thanks everyone for tuning in. Remember the code 10% off Seamoss 20K. Go to the link in my description, AkeemPierre.com, and I got you covered. I'm so excited. The response from the Seamoss has been so blessed. So we're gonna keep bringing these products forward. And for those of you who stay tuned to the end of this video, I want you to comment to let me know what herbs you would like me to bring in to start selling, because I have an amazing access to these herbs in St. Lucia, up in the mountain with Priest Kailash. So we have an opportunity to provide you guys with some of the most amazing herbs. So let me know what you would like, whether it's bladderwrack, whether it's St. John's bush for the woman, bay leaf, cinnamon leaf, we got soursop leaf, gully root. We got so many different herbs. Let me know what y'all want, and if we get enough demand for it, if we get enough want for it, then we're gonna bring that in. So give thanks everyone for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next episode of Almost Alkaline Kitchen, where everything we eat is almost alkaline. But we keeping those vibes hot all the time. Much love, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Ja Rastafaro.